Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called GetUpside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for GetUpside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So there's a lot going on in the world right now, and for the sake of this channel and just my personal authenticity, I just don't want to weigh in on what's going on right now, just because it is such a heated topic, and there's a lot going on, and I just mentally would like to just kind of leave it out, although, you know, it's gonna come up in the conversation throughout this video. So this channel, the Rideshare Hub, is a finance channel, and I want to just talk about that and what's going on with Uber and Lyft. Quick update, just with all the protests going on for, you know, the passing of George Floyd, and just all the stuff going on in the world, there are some curfews that have been put in place, and Uber and Lyft has essentially shut down in those areas. So I just wanted to really briefly touch base with that, just so I know that a lot of people have been asking in my Facebook group. I could just go on it really quick. Let's see, the Uber Lyft drivers Facebook group. Let's see who's in here talking about the curfew. So yeah, let's see what people are saying, and then I'm gonna get into the announcement first. So Monday, I haven't driven Lyft since the pandemic started, and when it decided to start again, the curfew came along. Yeah, so basically, wow, you still got bonus goal. So yeah, Lyft is doing some bonuses right now, $500 weekly bonuses for 75 rides, which is honestly pretty freaking amazing. That's almost 10 extra dollars per ride, which is nuts. So yeah, anyways, TBH, it's really easy to get 75 rides, but I don't know in this situation. 75 rides is kind of a lot, actually. That bonus though, yeah, so let's see. Yeah, it's a sign to stay home. Maybe it's a trap. Let's see, 30 minutes ago, you're not approved to drive. Some people are getting deactivated, but St. Louis curfew tonight and tomorrow night, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Good luck, everyone. So here, this is the what's going on in New York City. Comment what state you're in if there's a curfew out. New York City shuts down Uber Lyft services temporarily amid riots. Yeah, so, sorry if I misspoke earlier. Riots, protests, looting, all that stuff. Uber is reportedly cutting 3,000 jobs. 3,000 more jobs, wow, that's crazy. New York City's Tax and Limousine Commission has temporarily shut down Uber and Lyft's car services Tuesday. Yeah, so at the direction of the city, we have suspended our rides operations of 5 boroughs between the hours of 8 p.m. and 12:30 a.m. Uber Eats will continue as an essential service. So I guess Uber Eats is continuing, but Uber is not. I don't know. I mean, but people need transportation, so I don't really get that. I mean, I honestly think it's a little much that Uber shuts down for the curfew, because I mean, if somebody's at work and they need to get home and it's past curfew, I mean, how are they going to get home, right? Or, I mean, I don't know. I don't know where you would really even go anyway with the curfew. I guess they're trying to limit people going to the riots or whatever, but I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of places closing. Let's see where else Uber shut down curfew. Let's see if there's any other places. From Uber to electric mopeds, transit options suspended with their key. I mean, it's a little extra to me. It's just a little extra to shut down transportation during curfew. Because like, what if you're working at a restaurant and you're working late? New Yorkers looking to get home after the 8 p.m. curfew will have fewer choices due to as the city plans to suspend app-based vehicle service at night. I mean, honestly, I don't really. I guess actually in a nearby town, there was actually like 60 people arrested for being at a protest after the curfew, and they were actually arrested just by being outside. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, I just want to hear your guys' thoughts and just let you guys know, if there's a curfew in your town, Uber and Lyft is probably not, you know, stick to Uber Eats. Those apparently are essential, but Uber and Lyft probably, it's probably not, I mean, it probably won't even work to begin with. So that's all for today's video. Sorry, I know I'm super tan and my hair is super long, and I walked into a door last night, or 2 days ago. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all soon. Stay safe out there, everybody. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.